How to change playlist name on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change playlist name on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and now click this heart icon here, favorites, click on it and now click playlists, and here you will find create a playlist, and here you will find your playlist. Just select your playlist and then click here this pen, and here you can change it. Just select any name you want and then click save, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.